Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these paper flowers. They're super simple and they take only a few minutes to make, so let's jump right into it. For this craft, you will need scissors, a pencil, tape, a ruler, and of course, construction paper. One sheet for the petals and one sheet for the stem. Okay, so the first step is fold your paper in half this way. It's important that it's this way, so that you'll have the right sized, you'll have enough petals. Then on this part that's not creased, put your ruler and measure a line. You're gonna cut little strips to this line all the way across. For smaller petals like this, you can use smaller strips, and for larger petals like this, you can make larger strips. Okay, so your petals piece should look like something like this. And now we're gonna make the stem. So take your green and roll it from corner to corner, so like this way. You can also roll it this way if you have, like, if your paper is the height that you want it to be. So I'm just gonna hand tape it so that it won't move. Okay, so you should have something that looks kind of like this, and there's a crease here, and then it opens up. So open it up like this, and then fold it back so that it's rounded. But before you do that, just glue down this edge here with your glue stick. So and then you can just fold it over. And then you'll have something that looks like this, and it's like rounded petals with this on the bottom. The next step is to wrap the petals around the stem. So take your stem and put it at the end of your petals like this, and take some tape and just tape it on there so that it will stay. And just roll it up like this. It's okay if some of the pieces rip a little bit, it won't make a difference. And this doesn't have to be perfect, like it will make little creases like that. I don't know if you can see. And it's still fine. And just tape it at the end. Also, one more thing. If you're making this kind of flower, you don't need to flip it inside out so that they're not so that the petals aren't rounded. You can just wrap it around without folding it on itself. So that is how you make these flowers. There's tons of different variations that you can do, and just by like switching out, like not folding it over or cutting thicker or thinner petals. You can even wrap more pieces of paper around, and that would give you even more. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and if you liked it, put a thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!